Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you a possible fix for the login issue in Path of Exile 2. It's the most probable that the issue is due to servers that are down at the moment, but there's a chance that the problem may be on your side. So if the servers are not down and you still cannot connect, then I would try exiting the game, then go to your Steam account. So I'm gonna put my Steam in here. Then go to library and right click on the game. Then click on properties. Then go to installed files. Verify integrity of game files, and then you should wait until it goes to 100% and it verifies the integrity of your game files. If it's all correct, then you may need to uninstall the game and reinstall it, or try fixing your problems with network, because you may have some internal network problems with your own internet. And if it still doesn't work, you maybe need to try again or restart your PC. There's many various things that may go wrong, but remember that it's most probably because the server is down, since the game has just launched as I'm recording it 2 hours after the game release, and it still doesn't work for me because the servers are down all the time. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.